Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna talk about an issue of Fortnite. So the battle pass of Fortnite is not working, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So to get access of Battle Pass, first of all you have to purchase it. Yes, the following issue could be because you haven't purchased it. So first of all, make sure to purchase the Battle Pass. After you have an active Battle Pass, first of all verify your internet connection. This also occurs because of a weak internet connection, so make sure to provide a strong and stable internet connection. Then restart the game and your issue will be resolved. The next thing you have to do is that you have to check the server status of the game. This issue also occurs because of the server, so make sure to check it. You can easily check the server status from its official website or from the social media handles of Fortnite. The social media handles also helps you to aware from any types of bugs. Also make sure to check whether your Fortnite crew subscription is active or not, because if it is not active then you won't be able to use Battle Pass, because for new subscribers premium rewards on the Battle Pass will only be unlockable while your Fortnite crew subscription is active. So these were some ways by which you can easily fix your issue. I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.